Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Thomas Tropics. Today I will show you the 6th episode of 10 rare tropical fruit trees you never heard of. Today I brought you some Plinias, some Eugenias, some really rare Eugenias, a Garcinia and some other trees or species, and yeah, I hope you enjoy that video, and we will start right now. So let's start with the first one. The first is a Plinia. It's called Plinia Revolaris. I got this species from a collector from Argentina. It has reddish fruit when it's ripe, and when it's in ideal conditions it bears a lot of fruit, as you could see in the picture. It has a really good taste, but I don't know if it will fruit in a pot. This seedling is now 2 years old, so let's see. Then the next one is one of my favorite plants. It's a Plinia filtranta, giant red crystal. It's a cultivar from Taiwan. What I know, they got, I think 20 years or 30 years ago, some seeds from Brazil, and they, over their time, they created their own hybrids. So this one has really big fruit. I think some like the Sandford from Flying Fox Fruits, something in that range. Beautiful foliage, strong grower. This seedling is 2 years old. I should pot it in a bigger pot. I will do it this spring, and yeah. The next one is also from Taiwan. It's the Plinia filtranta red lantern. What I know, this cultivar is a rare one. The fruits are bigger than from the giant red crystal. Supposedly really good taste. Yeah, I have some others from Taiwan too. I have the white giant, I have the black pearl, the rosa, or the sweet oblongata. Yeah, and some others. Maybe I will show them too, but they aren't as big as these two. Yeah, let's go on with an Eugenia. This is Eugenia merciantes, one of the bigger fruiting Eugenias. If you want to collect one of these, watch out. There is a sweet cultivar. This is supposedly the sweet cultivar, and then is one, what I heard, the fruits have like a garlicky aftertaste, so not really good to eat out of hand, but this one is the sweet one, so it should be a good fruit. Really drought tolerant, so for people in California, this one would be a really good one to go. Easy to grow in pots. This seedling is also 2 years old. I have a bigger one in an air pot, like in a 2.5 gallon air pot, and it's twice as big as this. So yeah, the pot is stunning the plant a little bit, but it's okay for me because I have to save space. Then the next one, it's a rare Garcinia. It's Garcinia SP the Pico. So sorry, the Pico. I have 3 of these. It's something around big like the purple mangosteen, with the taste of a achachairu, what they told me. So yeah, something really good. The only minus point I would say is it has a pretty big seed in it, so the seed pulp ratio is that good or isn't that good like in a mangosteen. But yeah, let's see, it's growing. 1-year-old seedling. I should transplant it. Yeah, there are coming the roots. So I think I have a lot to do in the springtime. The next plant is a rare one. It's Myrciaria Delicatula, one of my favorite plants. I like it. I like the leaf structure, the tiny leaves. For me, it looks like a palm. Really nice. The fruits are ripening like not a rainbow, but they have different ripeness stages with different colors. So they start green, and when they are ripe, they are something like purplish, red, purplish. Really good fruit. There are different cultivars. There is a dark blue one and a red or orange, sorry, orange. So yeah, I think I have them all, the 3 different cultivars, but this is the usual Delicatula. So yeah, a nice plant. The next one is a superfood. It's the Myrciaria dubia, or they are selling the product as Kamukamu. Very high in vitamin C. Yeah, as I said, superfood. Pretty drought tolerant plant. It's growing good in seeds, in pots. What I know, there is someone in the United States, in the northern part. He has a Kamukamu farm, and he's growing his plants in pots and in greenhouses. So yeah, pretty easy to grow. When they are seedlings, they are a little bit tricky, but when you have them for a year or so, they are easy to grow. The next one is one of my rarest Eugenias. It's Eugenia flamingensis. Really slow growing Eugenia. Why is it that rare? It's a caulifloris Eugenia, so it's like a Plinia. The fruits are bearing on the trunk, so something really rare in the Eugenia genes. I think there are 2 or 3 what I know. I have only this one. Yeah, slow growing. I think it's also a drought loving plant. I don't know exactly, but yeah, really rare. That's like a little gemstone. I think in the United States they sold one for $250, a seedling like this. So yeah, pretty expensive too. And the taste, what I heard, is something like passion fruit and mango, something like this. I know a lot of fruit are described like passion fruit and mango mix, so yeah, we have to see. Then the next one is also a really rare fruit is the Malikara multifida. Malikara is in the Sapote family. The Sapodillas are in the same family, and what I know, it's really rare and the fruits are really good. So if you have the chance to get your hands on one of these, I would go for it. I have only this seedling, so I hope I don't know female. I don't need female and male plant. I hope it will bear both, so I need only one plant, but we will see it in the future. And then it's the last one, it's my rarest one, it's JLo Clinicium Cognato. Also really rare. I think it's one of my rarest plants. I can't say anything about the taste of the fruit. Yeah, we have to see, we have to wait for the future. I hope it will fruit one day, so we can make a tasting video of this fruit. And yeah, so that's it for today. The new 10 rare fruit plants. I hope, as usual, you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, let me a thumb up. Please subscribe to my channel so we will reach the 200 subscribers. I would be really happy of that, and yeah, share my videos, and we will see us the next time. Bye friends.